Alright, so now I'm gonna do a scatter plot for a death versus confirmed cases. As we have been doing with Plotly Express, we are going to do a same thing here as well. Figure is equal to px dot scatter, and there we have country wise dot sort values, and the values which we are gonna sort, that is by deaths, number of deaths from ascending to descending. So what I'm gonna put here, ascending is equal to false, that's mean it will be sorted into a descending format. So I'm just gonna put there ascending is equal to false, and then I'm gonna select the first 15 actually values that you can select from ilog is equal to ilog, and then from the 15 location, all right, and all the columns. So this is going to select first 15 rows. If you are getting confused here, what you can do, you can just copy it and then you can paste it here. With this, what you will get here, you will get there the countries death wise, top 15 countries death wise. So the another way to do this, what you can do, you can put their head and with the 15, all right. So there you get the same values, and this is the one way. And again, let me copy it and paste it here. Then this is the another way, all right. So you see, essentially these values are the same which we are having. So what we can do, instead of writing this complicated code, I can just simply put that here, so that I can remove those complicated part of that code. And then I'm gonna put here top is equal to 15, and then I'm gonna put there top. All right, so this is the one way. Once you have got this one in a scatter plot, that's the data. Then there I'm gonna put the x value. So on the x value, I'm gonna put the confirmed cases, and on the y-axis, I'm gonna put the death cases. So death versus confirmed cases scatter plot, and the color I'm gonna select here a country by color. So the color will be changed for various countries. I mean, it will be different country by country. And then the size of those scattered dots will be decided by the confirmed cases. So the more the confirmed cases, bigger will be size. All right. And the height, I'm gonna put here 700. All right, so the text I'm gonna put there a country. So the country will be displayed just beside those dots, and then I'm gonna put on the log axis. So the x will be plotted on log scale. So that's gonna be true here. And similarly for y as well. So that's gonna be true here as well. And after that, I'm gonna put here a title. So the title name, I'm gonna say the deaths versus confirmed cases, all right. And these cases on log scale. Cases are on log 10 scale. All right, so once you have this figure, then we need to update this figure. So fig dot update underscore trace, and there what we are going to do here, in fact underscore traces, fig dot update traces, I'm going to put there text position. All right, so where we need to put these text position, in fact that should be inside these quotes, a single quotes. Then the text position, I'm going to put those text position top and center. All right, Apart from that, I'm gonna type there fig.update layout instead of traces, and inside that I'm gonna put the show legends is equal to true. I'll show you later how you can make it false. In fact, that's show legend. And then we have fig dot update traces, update layout. Then we have here x-axis underscore range slider underscore visible, sorry, is equal to true. And then I'm gonna type there fig dot show, and once you write that, you will see there is plot death versus confirmed cases, and these cases are on log 10 scale. There we have a legend, and we do not want these legend, so I can make it false here, and sorry, that's a mistake there. And now the legend has been removed, and you can see here it very clearly the cases, death versus confirmed cases. Let's go ahead and decrease this size a little, make it 600. All right, so now it is visible with a little more. All right, and you can zoom these. All right, so there is a slider with this range slider. You can zoom it, and then you can also auto scale all these things together. So there is death, and you have there a US death is really very high, and the confirmed cases. And apart from that, you have their United Kingdom, France and Spain. So these comes here together. And then finally you have their Brazil, Germany, Turkey, Iran, China, Canada, Belgium, Netherlands, Mexico and the Sweden there. So we can clearly see that there is the cluster here, in fact 3 cluster. The one cluster is this one. Then you can see these are some other type of the clusters where the confirmed cases are large, but the deaths are really low for these countries. And then there we have US, where the cases are more than 1 million confirmed cases, and the death is also going around, yes, it has around 80,000 cases there. Alright, perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, I'll show you how you can more evaluate about the confirmed death, new cases versus country and the date wise using various plot. I'll see you in next lesson.